Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So guys, this week's video is a DIY backdrop. I just wanted to have a nice, just something pretty, something springy when I do my sit down videos, because I was just so sick of the background that I would sit in front of when I would do my sit down videos. And that's what this is for, and that's why I only did something. But that's why I only did something little, because the seasons are changing, so I wanted it to go like really well with like the spring and the summertime and falling off my chair. And I wanted to just be like light and flowy and just like something that's like aesthetic. So if you want to know how I did this, stay tuned, because I filmed the entire thing. Green vines that came with like twinkly lights that are battery operated and a sheer sheet. And your idea is to hang it up on this window here to be your backdrop. And we're gonna have to like fix this and rearrange that also. But back to this, we laid out the sheet on the bed and we're playing with the vines right now to figure out how are we going to do this. And honestly, I'm just thinking of maybe looping it over, so we're going to continue doing what we're doing. Decorate a backdrop for myself, because it's always usually this, and I'm sick of it. Or I'll sit on my bed and the curtains, the windows, I have windows around my bed, and I have windows all around my room. Like, I have the best lighting in my household. I thought this video was going to be completely quick and easy, and I was gonna have it edited. Today's Monday. I was gonna have the video done, edited by like Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, uploaded on Thursday, and then we just have to post it, make it go live on Friday. But it's not working out as planned, because I showed you guys the clips before this. Originally, all that I just put up, I wanted to put on this wall behind me, but I can't figure out what to do in that way to make it like stick on this wall, because this wall here is like the same thing that's on the outside of the house. Don't ask me why it's like that, I have no fucking clue. I really want it against this wall, because if I want to film in the daytime, I can use the sunlight. Like, this lighting right now is so good to me. But I'm gonna leave this like how it is for now, and I'm gonna go on Pinterest to get some inspiration, because I really don't have a lot of inspiration right now. Let's get on Pinterest and look for some inspo. So currently I am in Five Below looking for more decoration for this window, for my background. And now I'm looking at graphic t-shirts, and I'm not supposed to be looking at that. I'm supposed to be looking for something else. It is distracting me. Here we go. We're in room to room, and I kept saying I wanted little plants in my room, and I think these are cute, and they're only $4, so we're gonna take these. I can't believe I'm vlogging in public right now with no fucks to give. Normally I'm scared to do this. What else? This is a quick trip. I'm trying to be in and out the store, and if there's something I forgot, then I forgot it, and honestly I don't care. Let's check this aisle. This aisle is full of incense and like the smell good stuff. But I'm not seeing anything I like in this aisle. What is that? Is that a sofa? I think that's a sofa cover. I see a monitor razor. That's like something you can put on your bed and work off of it. And I'm really liking it because, look at this. I don't need that. We're not here for that. That's not what we're here for. You paid $30 for a baseball cap? When you could have went to the dollar store?
But those baseball caps aren't broken. These are the baseball caps that we're gonna be with.
Wouldn't be me! Damn, you can tell I've been stressing. Look at this pimple on my face.
I
went into Five Below, didn't find much. I think I found most of my crap at Five Below. But then I went into Michael's, which is a craft store, and I thought that, stay out of my bag. Oh, go ahead, you can take your gummy bears.
What gummy bears? You bought him gummy bears?
Yes, Ma. What did I get when I was out? I saw this pillow and I couldn't pass it up. California is always a good idea. Yes, it is. Nail polish remover because I was running out. A little exfoliating glove because these are my new things. I like these better than washcloths at the moment. And then I got myself some hooks because I don't have a closet and sometimes I need hooks to hang stuff up, and I don't like doing the nail stuff and leaving holes in the wall. And I got this. Did something break off of this? No. And I got this letter J. I mean, it's back if I turn it this way. Can you guys? Got this letter J. I plan on painting it because I have some paint. You like Krabby Patties, don't you, Squidward? I got some Krabby Patties. I needed another nail file, and then I got some, I got some white sage and sweet grass. I got this cute little fake plant. I don't know if these bend or not. It'd be really cool if they did, just a little bit, just to separate. They do separate just a little bit, and we are just going to start putting this stuff up here and decorating it and figuring out where what goes. To kind of just go through and explain every little thing I bought, and I don't want to go too into detail, but just explain to you guys what these pieces certain pieces like symbolize for me. The plants is just because it's springtime and I wanted to put some more like greenery in my room because my room is just nothing but neutral colors, so I'm trying to just put some more color into my room. So I got that. Cameron, I'm filming. Got this little plant right there. I got that from Five Below, which it's a fake plant. And even the vines, I got those off of Amazon. Those are fake plants too, but just bring some greenery. And then you have my letter back there, J for Jaysha. And I have it sitting on a candle because you couldn't see it before. But like if I'm ever filming when like the sun's not out, I would like to light a candle to set an intention and just keep the energy good. And then this little mirror little thing back here is Hello Kitty. I'll bring it close up. Well, I filmed it so you guys can see like the aesthetics of it. But, well, the montage I did. But Hello Kitty symbolizes just herself. I love Hello Kitty. I have since I was a child. I've outgrown, I'm not going to say I've outgrown her, but I'm not as crazy about her as I once was. I am calling myself out. I mean, I'm putting myself on the spot. But I had Hello Kitty bed sets up until about my senior year of high school. And my mother used to love to tell people, my daughter loves Hello Kitty. If you went into her room, you would think that you were in a little girl's room. I love Hello Kitty. I love her. I'm not obsessed with her as I once was. And some people might be like, oh no, you're so obsessed with her because I got her bow tattooed on my ankle. Which we are going off topic, Jaysha. Let's get back to it. You guys want to see me do more videos like this? Just let me know. Comment down below. Be like, ooh, you might like this. Or you should try that. Just let me know in the comments. And alright y'all, so that's it for this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, subscribe. Can't jump.
Yeah, we out here, man. We out here, man.
You can't even see what you're doing. You're not even near the camera. Oh. Okay.
Don't come near me.